Now, one feature that I'd like to highlight is the ability, and I think this is really cool that Google allows you to do this, you can actually upload a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation into Google Drive and actually edit the presentation using Google Slides. Sounds interesting? Let's jump right into it. So in order to access a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation in Google, what you actually want to do is navigate over to your Google Drive. So as you can see here, I currently have slides open. Don't worry, in the next video, we'll actually cover all of the beautiful bits and bobbles about Google Slides. But what I want to do for now is navigate over to the top right-hand side of my screen. Go ahead and click on the Google Apps icon, as we discussed in the previous video, and navigate over to Google Drive. Let's give that a click, open up the screen here. And now, how do we get a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation to open up here? Well, to do so, we're going to navigate over to the left-hand side of the screen. Go ahead and click New. And what we're going to want to do is click on File, Upload. All right, so just to recap that, we open up Google Drive, navigate over to the left, click on New, and then click File, Upload. That'll open up our desktop here. And then if you have it all ready to go, you can search for it in any of your documents. In this case, I'm just going to open up this folder here. And you can see here that I have a course PowerPoint that I'd like to upload into Google. Go ahead and give that a click. Hit Open. And what that'll do is it'll begin the process of uploading that course PowerPoint. As you can see here, we have a notification letting us know that the upload is happening and is now complete. And you can give it a click right down here and open up the file. But what I want to show you actually is that if I navigate over to my drive, I'm going to hit the refresh button quickly. You can see here that we now have that course PowerPoint on our Google Drive. And in addition to that, we also get a little preview of what it is. And the way that we can confirm that it is a PowerPoint, if you notice, I gave it a click at the bottom of my screen here. We have that P. If you ever see that P there, that's a PowerPoint presentation there, right? So it's good to know. Now all I have to do is just give it a click, and it'll open up that PowerPoint in Google Slides. And we know that it's Google Slides because you can see here that it has the Google Slides logo on the left. But Google is letting us know that you are, in fact, working with a .pptx file, which means PowerPoint. And because of that, some of the PowerPoint features can't be displayed and will be dropped if there's any changes that are made. So it's good to know, while you can edit your PowerPoints in Google Slides, if there are some features that are specific to Microsoft PowerPoint that aren't available to Google Slides, you won't see those changes being reflected. But especially when it comes to things like general text changes, some small formatting changes, I can do that on my Google Slides, and it'll actually save to the Microsoft PowerPoint file, the original Microsoft PowerPoint file. So for example, I can go ahead and change the name here. And that'll save on the actual Microsoft PowerPoint file. You can see here that it's been saved there to Drive, and we're good to go. So it's really great to see that compatibility between two presentation applications, Microsoft PowerPoint and Google Slides. Just wanted to highlight that feature before we dive into the rest of Google Slides.